Now's the time to take that path less traveled and go down and find some brand new springtime fun. Let's do it together. Hello, Localtarians, and welcome back. Right about now, I'm probably on a cruise ship, but I wanted to make sure you guys had your report. So make sure you check this out, and let's find all the fun together as we go down that path less traveled and do something a little different this time. So let's get going. This is for March 25th, 26th, and 27th. That's your Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Let's go, Friday. 10 a.m. Orlando Boat Show at Orange County Convention Center. $10 will get you in to come check out all the latest models. 3:30 p.m. X at Enzian Theater. 6 p.m. on Friday, Joywave. Joe P. playing live at The Social. 6:30 p.m. Uptown Art Expo kickoff with Ken and Drew of Sister Hazel at Cranes Roost Park. This free event will be going on all weekend long, so make sure you pop into Cranes Roost and enjoy. 7 p.m. Jordan Foley and Tyler Hood make music at Sanford Brewing Company. 7:30 p.m. Shaky, an evening with Neil Young. Well, almost. At the Veranda at Thornton Park. $20 to come and enjoy this amazing musical event and support yet another local artist. 8 p.m. Flesh Driver, Scum, No Coffin, Swamp, Dungeon Filth playing at Uncle Lou's. 9 p.m. on Friday, Austin Lucas, Lavender Country, Paisley Fields, Mali Ubasawin, and Jet Holden, along with Orlando's double first cousins, and Jordan Snyder at Will's Pub. $15 to get into this amazingly packed musical event. Come on into Will's, enjoy one of their great draft beers or maybe one of the craft cocktails they offer there. They have some amazing stuff, so make sure you check it out and let Will know I said hey. 9 p.m. Florida Man's Revenge at West End Trading Company, and it's free. And last but not least, for your Friday, 10 p.m., Toki Shah at Guilt Nightclub. All right, guys, make sure you check out our new Eat Right food and fitness journals. We do have a variety of designs and covers, so make sure you check it out. There'll be a link in the description below. And make sure that you check out this week's events by going to the top of our page on our Local Love Orlando Entertainment Facebook page whenever you're ready. And that's every single day. All right, guys, Saturday. All right, guys, 8 a.m. Smile Mile at Lake Baldwin at Upper Park Road and South Lakemont Avenue in Blue Jacket Park. 9 a.m. on Saturday, Horsepower Wars 4 at Orlando's Speed World Dragway. 10 a.m. Chalk Street Art at Uptown Art Expo at Cranes Roost Park. It'll be going on all day with live music and lots of art to enjoy, so make sure you check it out. 11 a.m. Second Annual Vegan Food and Wine Fest at Kitland Nelson Park. 1:30 p.m. on Saturday, Central Florida Soul Fest at Central Florida Fairgrounds. Come on out and get a little soul this weekend. 3 p.m. Spring Cleaning Your Body in Orlando. For full details, go to the link in the description. We'll have a little spot down there for you to find any links from our video today down below. 5 p.m. Sip into Spring 2022 at Ivanhoe Village. Come on out and stroll through the village with a lovely cocktail and a lot of great friends. 6 p.m. Bearings Between You and Me, Young Culture, Jail Socks at Hanau Contemporary Center online. So you can enjoy this particular event from the comfort of your own home or on the go. And again, we'll put that link down in the description so you can check it out. 8 p.m. 101.1 WJRR/ feature Miles Kennedy and the Conspirators, Tash Neal, at Hard Rock Live. And this one is also available online as well. And you will find that link in the description as well. So make sure you check it out if you want to catch up and see what Slash has been up to. All right, guys, and last but not least for your Saturday, Soft Kill, Alien Boy, Topographies at Will's Pub, Orlando. All right, guys, lots of great events as you can see. And of course, there's always more. We do a daily event post every single day on our Local Love Orlando Entertainment Facebook page. So please follow us over there for even more great events and lots of great content that we share. All right, guys, make sure you check out our other videos on our Local Love YouTube channel as well. We have lots of great stuff going up. We do new videos 3 times a week. Make sure you don't miss those. And if you're a local artist, musician, comedian, whatever it is you do that you want to share with us, make sure you drop it down in the comments, or you can reach us at locallovenow@yahoo.com. Let us know what you're up to, and we'd be happy to share your next events. All right, guys, let's get ready to take it down a notch, relax a little bit, maybe take care of ourselves. It is Sunday. All right, guys, 8 a.m. Leg Maker, Orlando Modern Street Hemi Shootout at Orlando Speed World Dragway. 9 a.m. Taking the Intimidation Factor Out of the Weight Room, a class for women at Studio Fit Training in Lake Baldwin. $45 to get into this great event and teach you the best way to get back in the gym and lift with confidence. All right, guys, 10 a.m. Uptown Art Expo at Cranes Roost Park. Come on out for this great event. Lots of wonderful art and music, and just going to be an amazing time. And did I mention it's free? That's right. So pop into Cranes Roost, have a nice walk around the lake, and enjoy. 11:30 a.m. on Sunday, Mythical Mornings, Skunk Apes, and Sangria at Orange County Regional History Center. $30 or $25 for members can get into this amazing, wonderful event about cryptids. 12 p.m. Lakeland Punk Rock Flea Market, Volume 4 at Swan Brewing. 1 p.m. on Sunday, Venue Showcase and Wedding Expo at D-Space Orlando on Hoffner Avenue. 2 p.m. on Sunday, Fair of the Dog at Will's Pub. This great local vendor market, indoor and outside, by the way, has food trucks and so much more going on. So make sure you come out, enjoy your community, and see what's going on at Will's Pub. 6 p.m. Paint Party at Orlando Brewing. 7 p.m. Sons of Paradise Drifting Roots at West End Trading Company. $10 to get into this amazing musical event. And of course, guys, take the time to get out there and support your local musicians. Let them know that you love what they're doing and follow them so you know when they're going to have their next shows. All right, guys, 9 p.m. K-Pop Rave at the Geeky Z. All right, guys, that sounds like a great way to end off our weekend. And I hope that you guys have an absolutely amazing weekend to come. And as I mentioned at the beginning of the video, you always want to take that path less traveled and see what's down there. Check it out. Go exploring. Enjoy your city. We have lots of great events and lots of great things going on. You can enjoy some from home and some out on the town. There's something for everybody. Make sure that you do go over and keep an eye on our Local Love Orlando Entertainment page. Follow us also on Spotify at Amanda Irene Hope so that you can check out some local music. Whatever fun you're looking to have this weekend or throughout the week, we got you covered. All right, guys. Well, that is going to wrap up our Local Love Report for this week, but I hope that you guys have an absolutely amazing week and an even better weekend. And other than that, guys, there's still time to get our beautiful coffee in full color coloring book. So make sure you check it out. This is some great adult coloring right here. Lots of fun. And I think that you guys will really enjoy these designs. So check it out. There'll be a link in the description. And other than that, guys, please drop us a comment down below. Let us know what you think of the video. And follow us on all of our platforms because we want to see you around, Localtarian. All right, guys. Peace. We'll catch you next time.
Don't forget to like and subscribe and share with all your friends.
And hit that bell so you know when we have a new video.